Hello lads, back again. You've seen the previous video. Feel free lure 13.5 version 2 Yamaha 4 horsepower 2-stroke short shaft, a quick run through. So let's start with the bracket. It's a DIY job, angle iron, this type of job. Four mounting points and the actual rails of the kayak, 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side. I've used something like this, slides in. This is just a demo, it's nice and smooth, the one that I have. Extended, made the backing plate, small plate welded there with the bolt that runs through the rudder hole. Plastic spacers, so there's no problems. Solid. The actual back plate, she's not a 90-degree job, it's a bit out, let's say on 95, I'd say. Timber, again, took a bit of it, so engine sits nice. You have to do it trial by trial, let's say. Dam bars as a reinforcement, so there's not too much pressure on it, and on the back end it's spread all the way. So that's the bracket. Engine sits about there. There's no cavitation. I've used the hydro fins to get it in the plane quicker and keep the nose down. They make the difference. For steering, clamp, kind of a U-clamp in the front, bolt going through, solid, no play in it. A long rod, kind of a solid, it's not soft. Eyelets, quick connection. Cables for steering, they run all the way in the front. Original pedals, I drill a hole through, split pin, quick clip. Them they rattle, so they are annoying. So taped, a bit of foam, silent now. Them lads, work in progress. Without them, cable runs through about here, which is not what I want. Yeah. Next would be throttle and kill switch. Remove the handle, extend the cables with cables that I had from scrap cars. Made another bracket here, just a push-in job. I've put a small spring on the other half, so it goes back. It's not jammed on full throttle or half throttle. Extends there. Kill switch, 2-wire connection, waterproof. Made another bracket for the handle, work in progress, rusty. Bolted on the frame of the seat, goes up and down. I've got the kill switch on eBay, supposed to be waterproof. First time when I went out, got flooded, engine died. Took one apart, pumped grease in it, taped around so there's no play. It's ground. It has the button, just quick stop. And it has the other half, just in case if you get separated from the kayak. Never happened, finger crossed. To start the engine, just a rope, easy to start, force pull. That's that. Added 2 extra rod holders. I'm gonna get rid of them. That's my anchor. Handy, heavy, homemade. 4 gears. It has forward, neutral and reverse, which I never used. Drill the hole, put a bolt through, sticks out, and I've drilled a hole in the paddle, so it's handy to guide. Just boom, goes in, push forward like that, very easy. And the most important thing, them scooper holes. You could get them closed. I tried it, still floated. So I got this and put it through, and she's facing backwards. So when you're underwater, it's like a hoover, sucks the water from the kayak. If you get, let's say, splashes or it's a heavy rain, all the scooper holes are like that, no problems. That's that. See you, lads.